No indicator either. Brilliant. Absolutely fantastic. Block the road.
Focusing on William Wilberforce is sort of akin to...
Oh, this guy's not trying to come out of the junction, he's actually parked there. Oh, right. Penny's just dropped. Oh, really, really weird place to leave his truck. It's going to confuse people, isn't it?
Absolutely. I mean, I think that... when I saw the photos of the pastry cutters at the cushion...
I want to laugh.
Yeah, you know, it almost feels as though it's kind of dumbing it down a little bit. Whereas then you see the photos...
Interesting place for a meeting.
You're a dickhead, aren't you, mate? The fuck? Fucking woman. I know what you were saying.
Apart from the Irish border sticking point, the Prime Minister also says extending the implementation period is undesirable.
That's absolutely
but
horrible.
in some circumstances. Labour's called her handling of negotiations.
Quarter from way.
Is he? Or is he waiting for these people to cross the road?
Oh, maybe.
Thank you. There's a car behind me trying to do exactly the same thing. Thanks, mate, for making it bloody obvious what you're doing. Nana. Oh, another one. Let's go around you, shall I? It's not like there's loads of parking spaces over here, is there, or anything? Well, I can't see any. Can you? No, definitely no spaces over here. No, not at all. Can't see any. That's it by magic. Look what I found. Lazy bastards.
And will get you back up and running fast. It's cross. Ever onwards.
Lazy bastard.
Overpopulation is the biggest problem here, isn't it?
Absolutely, yeah. I think I agree with you.
Absolutely ridiculous parking. She's not there. What the?
Why does it matter? Well, you know, she may be nice to her friend, but she's still the Queen's.
What?
It's nice that.
I don't know. I mean, I don't think they have any women trainers, but I might be wrong about that. As I say, I don't know.
Tomorrow is well worth waiting for. Make the most of this. It's going to be a warm, wild Wednesday in West Bridgford. Nothing to do with the weather, but there will be
bloody hell.
lengthy spells of unseasonably warm sunshine with a
Lane,
high
are you
of
in?
22 Celsius, 72 Fahrenheit. Latest travel news now. Let's hear the latest from Jamie.
Roads around Nottingham have
What the hell are you doing?
Much better
Oi!
now on the ring road. Just to remind you though, there's football tonight at Meadow Lane.
Oh, a brand new one. Lovely, lovely, lovely.
I was going to say, yeah. I mean, the thing is, you can end up, I mean, which I think I've done in the last couple of days, just posting to.
It's nice to see this cyclist lit up for all to see.
Can't remember the last time the media has sued the president. This is almost a precedent for the president, isn't it?
Absolutely, it's unprecedented. But this is how the
Yeah, just run that light, mate. It's cool.
Down in Florida for the re-election. World War II, Emmanuel Macron said, "Oh, you want a European army?" But it was Germany in World Wars I and II. How did that?
Nice one, mate. Let's go around the bus and run the red light.
And you know, this is,
what are you doing?
It's
Interesting manoeuvre.
It's hitting where it hurts the
What an arsehole! Oh, fucking hell! Oh, that was close. Jeez.
That have to keep, keep it in
Oh,
until we're relieved at another station, or alternatively.
A few moments later.
And I'll tell you what it is, and if that you like driving,
driving around with no lights
it's
on.
to do with the contracts. So what if anyone from the health and safety are reading or doing an audit on it,
Driving to oncoming traffic, mate, yeah?
That operative, like me, goes to the base,
Yeah.
which might be in Charlton, and you'll be bullied into taking his van home to the area they want you to work, and they'll bully you into the van before your start time, not give you.
Black, you're driving blind. What evil lurks in the gloom? What hides in the shadows?
I don't think this guy's going to let me over.
So,
So,
of course you will. Come to Halfords.
Oh,
We
nice
fit
one,
new
darling.
headlight bulbs on the spot from just £8, and we're open
Thanks.
late 7 days a week. Ready for winter's peak? Ready for winter's worst? Ready for anything. Worst? Ready for anything. Halfords for life's journeys. Oh, sold separately.
yeah, smart girl, aren't you?
Call